So take ear to ear sections. Now we are going to create a backcomb puff in the back. So I am taking a center section and backcomb it properly. Now make sure the backcomb is nicely done, especially at the roots. Now I'm taking the side sections and again backcomb them properly. You can spray this backcomb if you want. Right now I'm not spraying it. When you're taking the second section, make sure it's in line with the first side section. Now comb this out properly so it looks neat. And we are going to pin it in the back. You can use 2 or 3 pins. I prefer using 3 pins because the volume of the hair is thick, so you need more pins. Now just do a side part, and I'm going to pin this side section in the back. You can create variations on this side too if you want. Now I'm making a ponytail with 2 rubber bands. Now take a section of the hair and we are going to create these 4-strand braids. So I'm going to show this process slowly. So make a normal 3-strand braid on the right side, and the last section you tuck it underneath. Again make a normal 3-strand braid and the last section tuck it underneath. So repeat this procedure till the end. Now we are going to loosen up this braid. I'm making the second braid. We are going to make 4 such braids. Now I'm going to take the first braid and I'm going to pin this, and this will be my center, center of the bun. Two braids I'm going to tuck from the left side and 2 from the right side. Now pull out wherever necessary, give that rose kind of shape, and pin it properly. Now in the front we are going to make French braids. Now I'm going to loosen this braid up a little. If your hair is too silky or oily, you can always crimp or blow dry, before you start doing any hairstyle to achieve a particular look. Now loosen this braid up and nicely place it over the bun and pin it underneath. This is how it looks. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.